How's it going, everyone? TNXP, I'm going to talk about. This one has made a massive gain to the EMA 5. It was a beautiful setup here. Lots of volume, had a reverse split. Now, do we go in again? Let me go to the charts, guys, show you guys everything that I feel. They had really good news coming out here, too. If you look at the news, they had their preliminary earnings report. You know, everything looks good on the financial side of things after seeing this. Won't let me follow up on that. But they had about 98.8 million in cash and cash equivalents as of December 31st, 2024. What does that mean? Basically, that means they're probably going to stop the dilution. They're not going to do the dilution as much as you've seen way back in this chart. I mean, look at this. They needed cash. Every biotech needs it, and it has been plummeting down. It's been in a downtrend for quite some time. And me and the Discord members actually made big money on these big down moves. And I'll tell you guys how do I do trading against the trend. But if you look at the chart here, it did exactly what I kind of wanted it to do. We went away from this EMA 5, and I'm telling you guys, algos control the market. Where did we get where do we bounce off of EMA 5? So we got away from the EMA 5. We just had a reverse split on this candle, came down to put in some buys in here, and it shoots up 70% in a day. Big, massive gain, awesome gain right there. And then where do we reject is this EMA 5. This is how I love to trade. I love to see this. I played this with CRKN, another setup, and I'm going to look at TNXP again. I'm going to say, I'm going to see, if we can get another order in here. But I will say, though, we are not due for any of the EMA 10 or 20, which is this. EMA 10 is this yellow, and then the blue is the 20. We are in a downtrend. I just do want you guys to know we are in a downtrend. As you can see, the EMA 50 and 20 are at the top. That means when price comes to these EMAs, you got to expect price to get rejected. I do like this report here. I just don't see. I feel like we're trying to form a bottom off of that. This was a massive return here. I mean, look at this. We went in a blink of a second all the way up here, making 60%. That's pretty good. Right when the bell hit. But then look at this. We were hitting the upper band on a 15-minute chart. It's unsustainable, even on smaller time frames. Where does price come back to is these EMAs. It could have easily hit this EMA 5 and shot up like that. It could have easily did that. But it actually went all the way down to this EMA 50, had a little bounce here, and then just kind of consolidated the rest of the day. So is this play done? I don't think so. I mean, it's got lots of volume. But as for me and my members in the Discord, I got to stick to what the chart's telling me. It does say downtrend. We did have a 1 for 100 reverse split, so they're way over $1. But I want to give this thing a couple candles away from the EMA 5, okay? We have this long upper wick, so a lot of sell pressure is here. That tells me, sellers were in control. As price went up, the sellers brought it all the way down, okay? So that's just basic chart things. I would like to give 2 to 3 days. 2 to 3 days away from this EMA 5. I'm in some other plays that are making really bank, aka CYN. It's looking good, guys. I bought this end of the day. We shot up 30% almost. Same thing here. This is the kind of place I look for. I made a video about that recently, but the video I'm talking about is TNXP. I got a little excited about that other one, but that's just a little hit quick. If you haven't seen that video, I would go watch it. But TNXP just hit the EMA 5 just as we expected. Price will come back to it. It's a shorter EMA. Price always goes back to it. No matter what you look at in the chart, all price goes back to it. It doesn't matter how junk this stock is. You might be like, holy crap, TNXP sucks. It goes down and down. And then bam, out of nowhere. Look what it does. Shoots up right up to the 10. We don't expect that. We expect the 5 short term, but you can't expect the 10 as that's just market giving you guys more money, right? Look at this. Hit the 20, rejection. 20, rejection. The more you hit these EMAs, the more they break through levels, okay? They're just like support resistance. I want to see this hit the EMA 5 a couple more times. Okay, it could go right through it and hit the 10, but I want to see hit the 5, go down a little some, maybe consolidate. Consolidation would be my favorite pattern here. If I can see a nice consolidation, you can see right here, this was a strong support right here. Broke down, came back to touch the support, which is right, or now is resistance right here, right here, right here. So I want to see, do we just consolidate in this range bound? That would be extremely bullish. You did see a lot of sell volume right in here. So, a lot of sellers were on that day. So do keep that in mind. But give it a couple days away from the EMA5. That's the safest. Yes, you could totally miss out on this thing skyrocket. I'm not saying it can't. That is extremely good news. I mean, this news right here says that's about 98.8 million in cash and cash equivalents of December 31st. I mean, that skyrockets things, okay? And they got a lot of drugs in the pipeline here. They're one press release, and this thing's off to the races. No chart's going to matter. But I'm saying this is how you do it for how to get really precise entries. This is the way to do it. And you could have made monster returns of 70% in a day. Who would not want that? You could probably take the whole year off with that kind of returns. A lot of people would just love to be profitable in the trading year. A lot of people, if you just do basic investments, you make about 7% a year based on the SPY performance. This is a really good, obviously TNXP is a biotech. They're pharmaceuticals. They're always more riskier. I've seen biotechs just go absolutely ham, and I've seen them dump on any typical bad news. So just keep that in mind. If you guys do want to join the premium Discord, I would love to have you guys. I have a lot of plays in mind. Next week is going to be so freaking hype. It is looking really good. A lot of the screeners I've been looking at, a lot of the systems alerts. I've spent hours and hours looking for the best plays, looking at the news, looking at the articles and everything. And I'm trying to give you guys the one best play every day in my swing trades alerts. And you will see that all right up in here. That I post right up here in Swing Trade Alerts. Very formative. You can see, like, I took the CYN that I talked about. We made 20% and literally and 30 to probably an hour worth of holding, and I'm still holding. I'm looking for 50% gains. Right here, CRKN pumped 15%, ADTX pumped 10%. Lays. We won't even get started with Lays. Lays was a monster runner. But anyways, if you guys want to join the premium Discord, click the link down below in YouTube comments below and in the description. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll take you to this free chat landing page, okay? Don't worry. This is not going to be a Discord that charges you $80, $50 a month, $100 a month, even $200. I've seen servers like that. They're freaking scams. Anybody that charges that much are literally not teaching you how to trade and literally just giving you signals. I'm going to tell you guys exactly why I'm taking trades, exactly why I would take TNXP. And this is just a brief video on, I don't need things to pump. I know algos control the market. I know where algos look for sell targets. I don't need to be in a Discord and tell everyone buy TNXP and have it pump and dump on people. I know exactly what controls the market. And using this strategy, this is trading against the trend. I have a whole new strategy of how to trade with the trend and how you can make massive money on a lot of the plays I look at. That's in a whole new discussion. That's in my education section. If you want to watch it, on how to follow the trend, how to sell covered calls. They're all in here. A lot of videos. I'm uploading a new video on my indicators to make it very brief. Day trading is obviously my favorite. I sell credit spreads. I have a very high win ratio. Doesn't matter how big your account is. I can most likely double it every month. All right, very high win ratio, 0 DTEs, always risky, but I do it in a very safe manner. If you guys want to join the services, all you have to do is hit day trade alerts right here, and that'll get you access to everything, swing trades, day trades, and get this, for $12 a month for this promotional video. I know trading is hard. I can't guarantee anything. But with this service right here, you're going to get more than just signals. You're going to get education. You're going to get a community. You're going to get live streams, one-on-one mentoring. I have a guy right now in my DMs that wants to understand a little bit of stuff. I will take time out of my weekend, and I will, for free, to go over things that you need to learn. And that's the purpose of this, is because I want to develop a community where we can bounce ideas off, where we're not just here to, make money, and we're trying to develop relationships with people. And so that's the purpose of the Discord, is to teach education signals, and that's just a bonus because I understand people are working full time and they don't have time to look at the charts and all of that. They don't have time to say, oh, what's the EMA5 or TNXP? That could be a big sell point. And if they're not aware of that, you need to put your limit orders before you start working right up in that area, because I guarantee you a lot of the times that's going to sell off. All right. We're not here to gamble, we're here to see, and you can clearly see there was big resistance right here in this area. Bam, bam, and now bam. So definitely join the Discord. Please hit how to subscribe if you want to do it, but all I'll say is just hit day trade alerts right here on this channel. And if you do have an Android, you will have to subscribe on your computer, and that would also avoid the iOS fee. I actually recommend that. I hope to see you guys in it. I think you guys are going to learn a lot. I've been working on this strategy for years, always implementing it. It's the best one, in my opinion, on how to trade small caps, big caps, or any type of stock, and how to make a lot of money with a safe risk environment. Okay, we're being very conservative here. I always look for base hits. 10%, 10 to 20% is my targets. EMA 5, you just automatically get out, trail and stop it. Okay. All right, guys. Hope to see you in the Discord. Give this video a like, subscribe, comment if you guys liked it. I'll let you guys know when I get back in TNXP in the Discord. Let me know what you feel about this stock. Do you think it can explode? I know you guys love the news, so we'll see if we can get out of this downtrend. We've seen a downtrend form right here, and then we exploded right up. Can we get that again? We'll see, guys. Peace out, guys. Happy weekend, and I'll see you in the Discord.